Here we are walking by the fish market. On Wednesday morning. Ooh. Shrimp, octopus, fish and shellfish of all kinds. And here we go, we're gonna go catch the bus again at Rialto Mercado. Ferrovia. This is the stop for the train station. The Venice airport.
Or elevator, which one?
Escalator's fine. Trying to figure out where to go to check in our bags. Turns out our airline is downstairs, so we're going back down.
Okay, I think it worked.
I love water fountains, so I guess I like this airport. To get to the gates, we had to walk through this big market. Genius. This is not Oakland International Airport. Whoa, they have cured meat in the airport. Amazing. That little guy was €2.80. This big coffee was €2. Oh well, that's okay. I thought we were at the gate, but it looks like we're boarding a shuttle to get to our airplane. So we're getting on this shuttle. I guess we're gonna board on the runway. Okay, we're on the bus, going out to the runway. Gonna board our plane somewhere. Up there, our bags on the runway there. Okay, we just got off the airplane on the runway.